Beyond Meat is getting near a major breakout zone, everybody. As we discussed before, we have to discuss because right now it is on the green side and we might have a squeeze before the end of this week, maybe tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. So let us discuss the first alert or the first squeeze sign for Beyond Meat, because if it happened, it will be too late to jump in. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So, as we said, Beyond Meat is getting near the 96 resistance. Why this level is really important? Because first level that we test around this level, it was around the 29th of December. You see what happened here? We tested, we pulled back, and now we reverse after we tested the 80 cent, and we have the first test on Monday this week. This week, guys, is not normal because we've got a big buyer for every dip. You see here, Monday, we have a dip, we reverse, someone bought again. Tuesday, we have a test, and Wednesday, the test is happening pretty soon, guys. So now we might have the breakout today, not even tomorrow. If we broke the 96, will make the short cover. Why? Because last time they almost covered here. It was on the 19th of December. And you see this week, the price didn't hold and the short seller added their position. That's why we pulled back a lot. So now, guys, this for the short to cover this time, we need to break the 96 and hold over it. And even if the short started to add up, if we have major buyer or big buyer coming in, will make the short cover even more and make us squeeze until almost the $2 and over 100%, like what happened before here. We jumped almost 100% in few hours. So here we might have another over 100% to go toward the $2. If only if we break the 96, which is pretty near right now, and hold over it in order to go toward the 120 and over the $2. Because now we officially tested the bottom. As we discussed before, guys, we always do update for Beyond Meat and many other stocks, not even Beyond Meat, but last stock that we discussed was BNAI. As you can see here on our Discord, we already discussed this one on the 29th of December. Once this stock was around the $2.13, and we have entered around this one and around average $2.13, as you can see. And yeah, it did 100% in just 2 weeks from the last year, and now hitting a major resistance around the 489. So you see, from the $2 until 4. So BNAI was one of the top stocks that we traded from the last year until this year, because this one, every time we have a dip, we have a huge buyer. Hopefully we see this kind of scenario happen for Beyond Meat, this kind of buying pressure. You see this candle? This is what we want to see it happen for Beyond Meat right there around the 96. And once we break, we're gonna do update first on our Discord as usual, as we did the short here for BNAI. The link in the comment section below, guys. And of course, after that, we're gonna do it on our live streaming tomorrow. If you don't want to wait until tomorrow because it will be too late for Beyond Meat, you have to join our Discord and Patreon, of course, where we do update early in the pre-market and after we finish our live streaming. And our live streaming, we're gonna discuss again Beyond Meat tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Because before the market open, we always have some action for mini stock.